So this is our exercise 3.2, and this is your last one question from the exercise 3.2. So expressions x cube minus 6x squared plus a of x plus b is exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 3. Find the two simultaneous equation for a and b, then find the values of the a and b, then find the values of the a and b. So our equation is what f of x. If suppose that I'm writing it, f of x is equal to x cube minus 6 of x square plus a of x plus b plus b. Okay, and exactly divisible by x minus 1. So as you know, our x minus 1, let we are setting x.
100 non. Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so our x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it gives us, when this is moving to the other side, so x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, and this is divisible. So that's why I'm putting it f of 1. F of
Yeah.
is equal to 1 cube minus 6 into 1 of 6.
Sir, your voice is really low again. I can't hear you that well.
Sir,
Okay,
your voice is so low, sir.
okay.
Yeah, now it is correct, sir.
Okay. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now this is the square plus a of
And then it went low again, sir.
Again, it went low.
okay. No, this is okay. I don't know why is this happened in your class rather than I have multiple classes, but there is nothing issue. Even I'm changing my all.
Again going down, sir.
Okay, yeah. I don't know, but okay, maybe I'm trying to another settings in next session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so look at it here. This is equal to this 0. Why I am setting this is equal to 0? Because this is exactly divided by this one. So this is exactly divided by this one. So it gives us 1 minus of 6, 1 minus of 6. This is the plus a. This is the plus of b is equal to 0. So this is your a plus b is equal to, this is minus of 5 is equal to 0. So our a plus b is equal to 5. Okay. So our target is what we
Okay.
are finding the simultaneous equations for a and b. For a and b. Now we are working this one, our divisible x minus 3, x minus 3. So this is the let x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it moves to the other side. It gives us it gives us x is equal to the plus of 3. So again we are replacing x with the 3 in that one function. So our f of 3 is equal to the 3 power 3. This is minus 6 into 3 square, and this is the plus a into x. It's mean this is the 3, and this is your 3, and this is the plus b. And this is also divisible. So f of 3 is equal to 0 from the statement. So I'm setting this is equal to 0. So 3 power 3, this gives us the 27. Now we are working on this side. So 3 square, this is the 9. This is minus of 54 plus 3 of a plus b is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Look at it
Yeah.
here. This gives us the minus of 27 plus 3 of a plus b is equal to 0. So this gives us the 3a plus b is equal to, look at it here, this is minus 27, move to the other side, so this gives us the plus of 27, plus of 27. So look at it here, our first one target, the 6 of the a part is completed. Find the two simultaneous equation for the a and b. And now our second target is what? Hence find the values of the a and b. Hence find the values of the a and b. So our equations are what? If I'm writing it here, our first one simultaneous equation is a plus b, a plus b is equal to 5, and our second one equation is what? This is our 3a plus b is equal to 27. Okay, so look at it here. If we subtract to each other, if we subtract to each other, so this gives us the minus, this gives us the minus, this gives us minus. You know, this is plus and minus is cancel out. So this is the minus 2 of a. So this gives us the minus of 22. And from this side, you know,
A
minus is
equals to
minus.
11.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
minus cancel, and 2 is divisible by 22. It gives us a is equal to 11. And now we want to find the second value a plus, so a plus b is equal to 5. Now our second last target is what? To find the value of the b. So if I'm putting it here or I'm putting it here, it's totally up to us. But in first one situation equation, we have the simplest calculations, and this is very easiest. That's why we are putting it here. So this is 11 plus b is equal to 5. So this is b is equal to 5 minus 11. So this gives us the b is equal to minus of 6. Okay, can you got it?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, so any confusion regarding this one problem?
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay, add this one situation, this one problems. Our exercise 3.2 is ending. Now we are working over the next one exercise, exercise 3.3. But before of this one, we are working with the some remainder theorem and some problems regarding this one and regarding this one, and then we are moving to the our exercise 3.3. Okay, then I will give you the time, you can solve the questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first of all, we do this one, find the so basically what is the remainder theorem? I'm just writing it here. The remainder theorem is so our remainder theorem is what? F of x is equal to, if we have the function, and then we are divide x minus a, and g of x plus f of x. So basically the function, if we have the polynomial function, like suppose that p over q, this is our polynomial functions, and this is also a polynomial function, but its degree is less than to the upper one functions. And when we can divide it, and this is our top one, and then this is our rest of the function, and this is our remainder. So when we divide it, this is our divisible, and this is our function, and this one on the top, and this is our the remainders. Okay, I'm just basically writing what, this is our, if suppose that in under roots, this is our divisor and dividend, and this is our divisor, and this is the original function f of x. And if we can solve it, here we have the remainder, and this is your remainder, this is your divisor, dividend, sorry, this is your dividend, and this is the function, and this is your divisor. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are working the find the remainders when same for the same situation, and our f of x. This exercise is also relate with our exercise to 3.2. So f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3 of x minus 5, 3 of x minus 5, and divisible by x minus 2, x minus 2 divisible by 2. So for the from this one, if suppose that we have to find the remainder, and let we are checking our let x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this gives us the x is equal to 2. So this is f of and 2 is equal to 2 into uh, mm, just okay. So this is 2 into 2 cube
Yeah.
here, 2 cube plus 3 into 2.
Sir, can you please talk a bit louder, sir?
Sorry, what are you saying, CK?
Can you talk a little bit louder, sir? I can't hear you that well again.
Nothing, sir.
Okay,
Absolutely silence here, sir.
okay. Okay. No, look at it here. Just a minute. Wait, I'm removing it. This is the same one problems that is relating to our exercise 3.2. So look at it here. This is 2 into 2 cube and plus 3 into 2 minus of 5. So this is same for this one. So look at it here. This is 2 into 2 power cube. This is the 8, and this is plus 6 minus of 5. So this is your 16 plus 6. This is minus 5. So 16 plus 6, this gives us the 22, and this is 22 minus 5, so it gives
17.
80. But look at it here.
17, sir.
uh, yeah, this is 17, sorry, just okay. Mhm. 17, okay. But look at it here. Find the remainders. We can put it in our this one, but if we are using the previous one method, uh, suppose that I'm just writing the 2 of x cube plus 3 of x minus 5 and divided by x minus 2. Look at it here. And divided by, I'm just writing it in mathematical format. So here we are using the remainder theorem. And first one is I'm just doing for your understanding to relating with the exercise 3.3 with to the exercise 3.2. So for the here, this is basically you are writing like this one. So this is the your x cube plus 3 of x minus 5 divided by x minus 2. So this is the 2x cube plus 3 of x minus 5. This is your x minus 2. So okay, check, this is your divisor, and what is the dividend? So first one dividend is what our, we if we are checking, so this is your 2 of x cube, so
You
2,
divide 2x cube over x, sir.
yes, so it gives us the 2 of x square. This is your rough side.
Yeah.
So what is the dividend? So this is your 2 of x square. Now we are multiplying our what with x. Okay, so this gives us the 2x cube. Okay, so from the here, this is your plus 3 of x here. This is minus 5 of x. Can I write it right?
Yeah, and there's a minus sign later.
Okay, no, this is your
2x cube cancels out.
Yeah, this is the cancel. So this gives us
And
the
become minus 3x squared
three
and plus 5x.
plus, look at it here. This is the 3 and this is your 8 of x, and this is equal to the minus of y. So
Yeah,
no, can you tell me about this one? How we can solve it?
we divide minus 3x squared by x.
Yeah. So
You get minus 3x cubed.
minus 3 of,
Sorry, minus 3x. Yeah, sorry, not squared. 3x.
so this is your minus 3 of x. So we are going
When minus 3x get cancelled,
yeah,
it'll be minus 8x plus 5.
minus 8 of x here, and this is your minus minus is plus 15 of x.
Yeah,
Look at it here. If we can subtract it, this is your plus, this is your plus, this is minus. So this will cancel out, and this is your 8 of x here. Okay, and look at it here.
yeah,
This is your plus 8 of x, and this is your minus 15 of x. This is the basically a simple division method that you are studying in grade 5, grade 4, and grade 3. And here I'm
yes.
giving you some clue points and how you can studying the remainder theorem in your previous one classes. You can write it if we have the f of x is equal to the g of x is divided by. So if divided by, so using the remainder theorem, I'm just writing it here using remainder theorem. So this gives us the x minus a and g of x plus f of x. So here I'm left the two steps for you. You can try it at home. If you can't find it, if you feel hard, you can tell me and we will discuss in the next session. Okay, but here
Okay, sir.
uh, but here I'm just giving you the clue points for your understanding. For you, I'm just want you should think and you should do at this one point. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Now we are working over the next one theorem. So and the function when the 2x cube minus 3 of x square plus a of x minus 5 is divided by x minus 2. The remainder is 7. Find the value of the a. Find the value of the a. So look at it here. Our function is what? If suppose that let f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3 of x square plus a of x minus 5. So this is divided by let x minus 2 is equal to 0. You know this is divisible by 2, so this is going to this one, so this is the 7, sorry, this is equal to 2, and the remainder is 7. As you know, if we can divide it whole by this one, this is also equal to the remainder. So I'm putting it here, what I'm replacing the x with the 2, so this is your 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 of square. This is your a of 2 minus 5. So this is your, 2 power 3. This is the 8. 8 multiplied by 2. This is your 16. And 2 power 2, 4. 4 minus 12 here. I'm just look at it here. This is remainder is 7. So I'm put it equal to the 7. I'm put it equal to the 7. Why I am put it equal to the 7? Because here it is given the remainder is 7. So and this is your plus 2 of a minus 5 is equal to 7. Look at it here. This is the 16 minus 12. This gives us the 4 plus 2a minus 5 is equal to 7. And look at it here. This is 4 minus 5. This is 2a minus 1 is equal to 7. Got it?
yes, sir.
So minus 1 is moving to the other side. This is the 2a is equal to the 7 plus 1. So a is equal to what? This is equal to the 8. So 8 divided by 2. So our a is equal to what?
4.
4. Is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
No, sir, none.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the next one problems. Is there any integer roots of the to the equation? So this is very basic one equation. And here is the solution is also given. So look at it here. Is there any integer root to the equation x cube by 2 of x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So since the first term x cube and the last one term is plus 1. So basically he is telling x cube and plus 1 is the first and the last term. The only possible factors are x plus 1 and x minus 1. So how we can say that the only factors of this one and this one? Can you understand or can you
Yes, I can understand. Yeah, I'll
can
read it.
yeah
Since the
but
first term is x cubed
yeah
and the last term is plus 1, the only possible factors are x plus 1 and x minus 1.
but
F of
here
1 equals 1
hmm,
and f of minus 1 equals minus 3, so there is no integer root.
okay, but here I'm asking the question why we are setting x plus 1 and x minus 1 and rather we put another point like x plus 2 and x minus 2 or like x plus 3 x minus 3 or so
No,
on.
because it's a cube root.
Okay, so it's due to the
Yeah,
yeah, so it's due to the cube root, so we can put it this one. So our function is what? Our function is f of x is equal to x cube minus 2 of x square plus x plus 1. So this is your first one is your x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to the minus of 1. So we put f of minus 1 is equal to the minus 1 of cube minus 2 into minus 1 of square minus into minus of 1. This is plus of 1. Okay, so I'm simplifying it. This is the minus of 1, minus 1 also get this is plus 1, but this is the minus of 2, and minus minus is plus of 1. This is your plus 1. So look at it, plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled out. So this gives us the minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to the minus of 1. Okay,
okay.
uh, can you got it?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, okay. Now we are working. No, we are working on the second one. So our x minus 1, let x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it moves x is equal to 1. So we are put our 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1 power cube, 1 power cube, and this is minus of 2 and 1 power square minus into plus of 1 and sorry, this is not 11, this is 1. So this is your plus of 1 and this is minus 1 and plus 1 is cancelled, so it gives
They
us
get cancelled.
minus 2 is equal to the minus of 1. But I'm just feeling we are making some mistake. uh,
And then if it's, yeah, no, we're not making mistakes. I understand.
Yeah, just we are checking when we are setting this is minus 1, so this is minus of 2, this is minus 1, this is plus 1 is yeah, this is look at it here. When we are setting x is equal to minus 1, the answer is minus of 3 and not this one. Okay. Mm, okay. So this here is the I'm just clarify you. Here is the some calculation error. That's why it gives us the So our f of minus 1 is equal to the minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So this is the minus of 3. Okay. Now look at it here. This is your x plus 1, and this is x is equal to minus 1, and this is your x is equal to the plus of 1. Okay. So can you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are working our next one problem. Yeah. So this is our exercise 3.3, and we can start it here. First of all, we are doing the first one part. For each function, find the remainder when it is divisible by the linear factor showing in the brackets. So I suppose that f of x is equal to the, so this is your Q1 question 1 of a part. So f of x is equal to x cube plus 2 of x square, 2 of x square minus 3 of x minus 4, and this is your x minus 2. So yeah, how we can solve it? Have you any idea?
You can divide it by x minus 2. So x divided by x cube is
Look at it for each
you,
function. Find the remainder when it is divided by the linear factors showing in the bracket. We just
yeah,
find the reminders. We just
you can
find.
divide it.
Okay. So x is equal to what? 2. Um, this one side, this is let x is equal to minus 2. So it gives us the x is equal to 2. And f of 2 is equal to the 2 of cube, this is the plus 2 into 2 of square minus 3 into 2, this is equal to the minus of 4. So this is equal to the 8, this is equal to the plus of 8, so this is minus 6, this is minus of 4. So this gives us the 16 minus 10, this is equal to the plus of 6. Can you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, and same for this one part also, and same for this one part, same for this one part. But I'm moving to the our second one problems. Mm, yeah, look at it here. When f of x is equal to this one, so our doing the question two. Question do. So
Okay.
our f of x is equal to x cube plus a of x square plus b of x plus 10, and divided by x plus 1. There is no remainder. There is no remainder. So x plus 1 is equal to the 0. 0 let, so it gives us the x is equal to minus 1. Then we are setting f of minus 1. So it gives us the minus 1 power cube plus a into minus 1 also here. So b into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Why I am setting equal to 0? Because look at it here, x plus 1, there is no remainder. There is no remainder. It's mean it is equal to the 0. So it gives us the minus of 1. So this is the plus of a, this is minus of b, this is your plus of 1 is equal to the 0. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is your two one part. Okay, just just a minute, wait for long. So I'm just thinking x cube plus ax square b of x plus 10. Okay, plus here we are making yeah, look at it here. Here we have the 10. So this is equal to 10. and this is equal to 10, this is equal to 10. Okay, look
Yeah.
at look at it here. uh, that one is okay if we put plus 1, but our question is contain plus 10, that's why we follow this one. Okay, so our a minus b is equal to the plus 10, this is the plus of 9. So this is plus 1 is moving to the other side, so it gives us the a minus b is equal to the minus of 10. Our target is what? When it is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 4. And first one is what? X plus 1, there is no remainder. When it is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 4. Find the values of the a and b. So our first one, simultaneous equation, and this is the same one problem that we are perform in exercise 3.2, and same for the x minus 1. So x is equal to what? This is equal to 1. So we are replacing x with 1. So this is your plus of 1, and this is the 1 of q. So this is a into 1 of square, so this is b into 1, and this is your plus of 10. And look at it here, x minus 1, the remainder is 4, so I am setting it equal to the 4. Why I am setting it equal to 4? Because this is given. Okay, CK.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are checking, this is 1, this is your a, this is your b, and plus 10 is equal to the 4, is equal to the 4. So look at it here, this is a plus 1, and this is your a plus b is equal to 4 minus 11. 4 minus 11. So it gives us a plus b is equal to minus of 7. Now we want to find the values of the a and b. Then we are using the here the simultaneous way, simultaneous equations. So our simultaneous equation, a minus b is equal to the minus 9, and a plus b is equal to the minus of 7. So from the here, look at it here, if we can add, this is 0, a is 0, so 2 of a is equal to the minus of 16. So on the behalf of this one, a is equal to minus 16 divided by 2, so it is equal to the minus of a. And our a value is what? Our a value is minus of a. Then we are moving to the our finding the value of the b. So a plus b is equal to the minus of 7. So this is minus of 8 plus b minus of 7. So b is equal to the minus of 7. So it is a plus of 8. This gives us b is equal to the 1. Can you understand it?
Yes, sir, I understand it.
Okay. Can you read just 2 minutes?
We shall rejoin the meeting. It's okay.